Hi everyone. In this session, let's look at some traffic behavior, especially with respect to some driving maneuvers like overtaking. Let's go through these slides and understand these concepts purely from an exam standpoint. Overtaking before crossroads are nothing but junctions. So the question is it irresponsible to overtake a truck and a trailer a short distance before a crossroads? Yes, of course, yes, it is irresponsible because the truck and the trailer can obscure the view of important traffic signs, which means it might block the view of important traffic signs. And yes, it is irresponsible because the combination can obscure the view of crossing traffic as well. The explanation is given for you. Overtaking just before a crossroad is highly risky. Large vehicles like trucks and trailers can block your view of traffic signs and crossing traffic, increasing the likelihood of accidents. Always ensure you have a clear view before attempting to overtake. Let's move on and understand more concepts. Mistakes during overtaking on clear and straight roads. So let's look at the question. What mistakes make overtaking dangerous even on clear and straight roads? So even if you have clear roads, what are some of the mistakes that you might make? Answer is of course the distance of an oncoming vehicle is overestimated. You underestimate your overtaking distance as well. So let's read the explanation. Even on straight and open roads, overtaking can be dangerous if you misjudge the speed and distance of oncoming traffic. So always ensure that the opposite lane is clear and you can complete the overtaking maneuver quickly. Let's move on. Dangers during overtaking. When are you in danger when overtaking? When the road user being overtaken suddenly accelerates. Or another scenario is when the road user being overtaken swerves out to overtake or moves out to overtake. Unexpected actions by the vehicle you are overtaking, such as sudden acceleration or swerving, can create dangerous situations. Always be alert and ready to adjust your maneuver. Let's move on. Abandoning overtaking. This is very similar to the previous scenario that we had looked at. In which cases must you abandon overtaking? When the road user being overtaken suddenly accelerates, or when there is danger from an unexpected oncoming traffic. If the vehicle you are overtaking accelerates or if unexpected oncoming traffic appears, you must abandon the overtaking maneuver immediately to avoid accidents. These are definitely common sense, but I'm just repeating here purely from an exam standpoint. Let's move on. Prohibited overtaking situations. When is overtaking forbidden, or when is it better to avoid overtaking? If you are unable to drive considerably faster than the other road user being overtaken, it's better to avoid overtaking. If you do not have a clear view of the road ahead, avoid overtaking. If the traffic situation is not clear, as well, avoid overtaking. Overtaking is prohibited in unclear traffic situations such as on bends, unclear stretches of road, and before junctions where the right of the way is unclear. Ensure you do not endanger other road users and oncoming traffic. Overtaking cyclist. You want to overtake a cyclist on a narrow road. The width of the road means that the maximum possible space between them and the car is 50 cm. What you should do? The answer is I refrain from overtaking, and the explanation is clear. I'm sure you know that you need to maintain a safety distance of at least 1.50 meter. In this case, only 50 cm is available when you overtake cyclists. So if this distance cannot be maintained, do not overtake. What should be noted when selecting the distance between cyclist and the car? Answer is how the cyclists are acting and the speed of my vehicle. The lateral distance must be at least 1.5 meters more if the cyclist's behavior is conspicuous, that means he is just drifting left and right. Then of course consider these movements and the effect of your vehicle at higher speeds. So yes, just some more extra points to note. Let's look at the next one. Risks on unobscured or straight roads. Why can it be dangerous to overtake on an unobscured or straight road? I think we looked at similar scenario, but again from an exam standpoint, some of these are repeated because the oncoming traffic is traveling faster than first thought. Okay, and because the overtaking distance is longer than first thought, because it's hard to judge on a very straight road. It might feel safe, but sometimes misjudging often happens. And one of the biggest causes of accidents is often overtaking or wrong judgment during overtaking. So misjudging the speed of and distance of oncoming traffic can lead to longer overtaking distances than expected, increasing the risk of accidents. Always ensure the road is clear before overtaking.